everyone, in this video we are going to do a 5-minute release to open up our mid-back, thoracic spine, and our overall posture. So for this routine you will need one purple coregeous ball, nice, soft, and squishy, and then you'll also need 2 orange Franklin balls. So we are going to do a few exercises with each of these type of massage balls, and we're going to start with the Franklin balls first. So to get this started, we are going to lay on our back and we are going to put these 2 Franklin balls along our mid-back. So you want them on both sides of your spine, so left and right sides of your spine. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll our spine up and down these balls. Now it feels really, really good. Now you're getting into all those muscles that wrap around your spine that go from the neck all the way down into the base of your pelvis. Now you want to try to get into the base of your neck, particularly the cervicothoracic region, which can be an area of a lot of tension for people, and just kind of releasing and opening up there. Now you want to go all the way down as well. I'm just gonna move this way a little bit since I'm migrating, and then readjusting the balls, and then you want to get into your mid-back as well. So your mid-back usually is an area of a lot of tension as well, and you might hear some cracks too. And we'll go up and down. Great. We'll do a few more seconds of that. So again, this is focusing a lot on your mid-back, your upper back area. If you find some tension, you can always hang out there and do some extensions and just chill here. Feels really good. Now this is something, again, you can do as your everyday routine just to release tension in your body, create mobility, create space in all these tight muscles and fascia and connective tissue. And what you're really doing is you're hydrating all your tissues so that they can function better. It eases pain, you feel less tight, everything like that. And then we're going to use our purple ball now. So we're just going to start by laying on it in our mid-back. And I'm just going to lay over it and be in a W position. So this is my W position. If you want to be in a T, you just have your arms straight out. We're going to start with a W position, and we're just going to lay here, open up our chest. We might feel a stretch in the front of our chest or our pec muscles. And we're just going to chill here for a little bit. I love the coregeous ball because it's super soft and squishy, and your body really just melts into the ball. And again, you can adjust. So you can move the ball along different parts of your spine or your mid-back. So I just moved the ball a little bit more up, and I'm just going to hang out here. You can also have your legs straight if you feel more comfortable like that, but I feel more balanced when my knees are bent and more grounded. Good. You can even go into some snow angels. You're going to move your arms up and down in that W position. Again, feeling more of a stretch in the chest, opening up the front of the chest, the pec muscles. Great, and then we're gonna take our head, support it with our hands, and I'm just gonna go up and down along my spine. Again, feels really, really good. You can try to get to the left part, the right part, and just even the center. Now this takes a lot of balance, so if you're having trouble with that, you can always put your hands behind your head, support your head, and lift up. But I have pretty good balance. I'm just going to support my head with my hands and go up and down. Good. And now we're going to do some thoracic extension. So we're just going to support my head. We're going to extend over the ball and just hang out here. Really just imagine melting your body and ribs into the ball. And again, just find a different spot. So the goal with these thoracic extensions is you want to do it along the entire length of your mid-back. So you can see I'm kind of moving the ball a little bit down, a little bit up, just to make sure I get every vertebrae. I'm going to work on my upper back, so I have the ball more in my upper part of my spine. And you're just hanging out here for a few seconds and then finding a new spot, extending your spine over the ball. Great.
And then I was going to end with some rolling up and down.